and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to announce that I completed a notebook. Yay! That is such a rare occasion for me because I start a lot of notebooks and sketchbooks and barely ever finish them. I really enjoyed filling this notebook, that is why I decided to make a video to honor some of my favorite memories which are collected in this notebook. You will see those pages as I talk. Briefly about the notebook, here it is. It is a notebook from IKEA and it has plain pages without any dots or lines or anything. And I believe they still have it in the store, but they sell it with different covers, well, because I bought it a while ago. So I started using this notebook back in 2014, and at first it was meant to be a sketchbook, and I did quite a few drawings in there, and even attempted my first Inktober. Well, but I quickly realized that I didn't enjoy drawing in this notebook because despite the cover being such a beautiful one, the pages are quite thin and I really prefer a thicker paper for drawing. So that was the reason why the notebook rested in my drawer for a while, until I heard of the amazing thing called bullet journal. I made a couple of videos in which you can see the start of my bullet journal journey, and this notebook is included in them. And I really enjoy doing bullet journaling, so I decided that it was time to buy a really fancy notebook dedicated to bullet journaling. So I will continue bullet journaling in this new notebook. I will talk about it more in upcoming videos. I will tell the brand and other details. I feel kind of sad that this particular notebook is full right now. I don't know, it feels kind of strange to be sad about such thing. I never felt this way about any of my notebooks or planners before. I guess it's because this notebook has a lot of drawings, and I spent really a lot of time to make my spreads look nice. Yeah, and I think these little details made this notebook really special for me. And I know that this notebook is gonna be the one of those which I will keep forever and take it anytime and flip through pages and feel all the feels and remember all the memories which were happening at that time when I used this notebook. Anyway, that is the end of this notebook and the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this little story and the showcase of my favorite pages of this notebook. I feel that I honored it with all my heart. It's time for you to rest, my friend. Yeah, I hope to see you very soon with a brand new notebook and brand new memories to make. And I'm wishing you all the best. Bye!